Hey guys, we're gonna be making a YouTube video, and it's all about fidgets. And I don't really get likes this way or subscribers, but I just like making it. So, I have this puppet, as everybody knows, and it's very loud. I don't know which side is louder. I'm probably guessing this side, but it's a pretty good one. Yeah, that's the first one. The next thing we have is this, but it's not a fidget, it's just in my fidget bin. But if you put it this way, it goes all the way down. Like, look at those little floating hearts. So yeah, that's what it is. Little plug right there. And yeah, so basically just liquid in there. I have this cube. Came from the dollar store. It has some hearts on it, and it's like glittery. You can do this. Wait, why is it so close? Hold on a minute. I need to back this camera up. Alright, so here it is, and yeah, it's basically just a little cube. I have another one that came with, if you can see this box right here, but it keeps breaking, and the colors are finally matched because the colors weren't matched because my brother messed the colors up. Alright, going on to this puppet, it's a little heart. It says A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Then it has a little heart at the end. But this is a pretty good one. I say this one is pretty good. So, yeah, I think this one is a good puppet. Now, this is one of my... Oh, look at that. Look at that. For some reason I have a grocery gang in here. Grocery gang, whatever it's called. And they're weird. Yeah. Don't ask why it's like that. Okay. We have this. These are one of my recent ones. It's a little puppet again. But it has these little arms and like, ready. You can flip it inside out. It's just like the plushy one. And look, now it's sad. But I don't want it to be sad. I want it to be happy. Like surprised. You see that? And like, yeah, it's cute. I think this one's a cute puppet. There's also a purple one, but I wanted the pink one because I thought the pink one was cute. Okay, moving on to this unicorn. There's actually little unicorns on the pop. And it's just a unicorn. So yeah, I think that one's pretty cute. And I want to really move on to this. This is like one of my favorites. You can just squeeze, then it sucks together, and then you do that. Like, it is amazing of a fidget. But yeah, this one's amazing, and I found it at the dollar store. Let's go on. Well, this used to be my favorite puppet. This used to be my favorite. It's a little square, and I think the square one is pretty cool. Pretty cool. It has a pretty loud pop, but not as loud as probably the circle one that I reviewed. I have this shooting star. It's rainbow and it's perfect. Oh, I like it. Alright. And there's let me check how many poppets to go. More poppets to go, but this is an elephant. It's glittery, but you guys can't really see that because the screen does not show it up. Okay, there's this one. And then there is this one. There's a lot of unicorn ones. There's this one. I love the ring. It's like a little, weird... I don't know how to explain it. It's really cool though. I like it. Slinky. Now I got this Slinky first. This is my first ever Slinky. Really cool. Then there's this green Slinky that I got at the dollar store. I get a lot of things at the dollar store because we recently go to the dollar store a lot. I found a splat ball at what's it called? The dollar store. I'm pretty sure it's the dollar store, and it's squishy. It's not a fidget. Basically, it is technically. I don't know, but it's pretty cool splat ball. All right, you can see how the thing opened because I opened it. I have two things. They're puzzles. I don't really like the puzzles. I would give them, yeah, a 0 out of 10. Like, I don't like the puzzles. The puzzles I don't like. The puzzles are like just kind of boring. They're just charts. So, yeah. The next thing. Oh, that's my putty container. Why is it thrown in there? Okay. We have this mini Slinky. Oh my gosh. So cute, little mini Slinky. Now, I've been wanting this for so long. Basically, it's a little thing, and then when you squeeze it, there's a little squirrel popping out of there. Oh, rubber squirrel. Whee! Oh, no. Whee! Oh, no. Okay, we have one of these. I've had one of these before. We have another one because I got this one in, like, yeah. We have another one. It's the same exact thing. It's just matched colors, all the same. Okay, there's, oh my gosh, I forgot about this. So, like, oh, mine breaks really easily. I got this for Christmas from my sister. She's older than me, like way older than me. But this is a cool fidget. I think the cube is cool. The cube is like one of my favorites, maybe. There's these little rubber balls. You can like just like there's more than one. But yeah, I could only find one. So there's more in here somewhere, but I'm not getting the rest. So yeah, I think that's a pretty cool one. And one of my absolute favorites is monkey noodles. I don't know why, they're just so stretchy, and like, I don't know, they're stretchy, and like you can just swing them around, and it makes like a cool sound if you do it hard enough. But like, don't do that. Don't do that at home. If you have monkey noodles, do not do that at home, because you don't want to hit something on accident. But I have all 3 of them. So cool. I love it. Someone came over and did this. It's cool. And I think it's pretty cool that they got it straight. But this is the mini version, and I'm really trying. Oh, look at this. So I love these ones. There's a marble inside, and then you can squeeze it in and out, in and out. It's cool. Now I'm going to get, oh, I have a blue one too, in and out. All right. Now I want to share this. It's another tiny Slinky. There's also one, like, a cool one. Ready? And if you swing it like this, can make a weird sound, but that's not the sound I'm talking about. And you can make it go all the way back in. Alright. And one of the cool ones is this. I think you can just do this, but you can always pinch your finger. So it always sucks when you pinch your finger, but there's an earth squish. And then there's this cool, wait, oh, I found them. I found the rest. Huh? Oh no, something just, hold on, let me get that. Alright, let me show you. Look what I got. I found the rest. See? So yeah, cute little tiny things. And I think there's one. Oh my gosh. Stop falling. Literally. Alright. Now I need to show you the 2 fidget spinners. So there's this one. Ready? Oh, that looks so cool on camera. Literally. That's not how you see it in real life. Now, and then there's the more powerful one. This one's more powerful. Oh my gosh, that looks so weird on camera. Why does that look so weird on camera? Literally, like in real life, that's not what it looks like at all. Literally, like it looks nothing like this in real life. I am shocked. Like this isn't what it looks like right now. But because of how fast it's going and how the camera's testing it, it looks really weird. Like, do you see that? And then like stops. Oh my gosh. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed. Remember, Mr. Squirrel, he's scared. But always subscribe and like this video. Hope you had a great day. Bye. Yes, Squirrel, we know you're scared. Alright, well, anyways, bye, guys. Okay, are you gonna leave? No, I'm not gonna leave. Yes, I am. Okay, this is your final and last. Are you going to leave? Maybe. Yes, I am. Okay. So, bye, guys. I hope you watch another one of my videos. I'm not leaving. Bye. Okay, bye.